Hi there! Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV, the channel where learning English becomes simple, practical, and fun. Today, we're exploring the tricky world of silent letters, those sneaky letters in English words that you don't pronounce but still have to spell. Silent letters can confuse even the most experienced learners, but with the right tips and practice, you'll master them in no time. Silent letters are common in English, and understanding them will help you improve both your spelling and pronunciation. By the end of this video, you'll know how to spot silent letters and pronounce tricky words with confidence. Let's start with some examples of common silent letters. First, the silent K. In words like no, knife, and knee, the K is silent. For example, I know the answer. Be careful with the knife. Next, the silent B. In words like comb, climb, and thumb, the B isn't pronounced. I need a comb for my hair. He will climb the mountain. Then there's the silent W. Words like right, wrong, and wrist drop the W sound. Please write your name. She hurt her wrist. Another common silent letter is the silent H. In words like honest and hour, the H is silent. He's an honest person. It took an hour to get there. Here's how you can practice and remember silent letters. First, learn the patterns. Silent letters often appear in specific combinations like KN, MB, and WR. Recognizing these patterns will make it easier to identify silent letters in new words. Second, practice saying the words out loud. For example, say no without the K or comb without the B. Repetition will help you get used to the correct pronunciation. Third, listen carefully to native speakers. Pay attention to how they pronounce words with silent letters. For example, notice how thumb is pronounced as thumb, and right sounds like right. Silent letters can also appear in less common words. For example, the silent G in gnome or sign, the silent P in psychology or receipt. Here are some tips to master silent letters. Focus on commonly used words first. Practice words like no, right, and comb before moving on to more advanced vocabulary. Use a dictionary or online tool to check pronunciation. Many dictionaries include audio clips that let you hear how words are pronounced. Make a list of silent letter words and practice them daily. Write sentences like, I know how to climb, or she has a comb in her bag. And most importantly, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Silent letters are tricky for everyone, but with consistent practice, you'll improve your spelling and pronunciation in no time. If this video has been helpful, we'd love your support. Give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV for more practical and fun English lessons like this one. By subscribing, you'll never miss a chance to learn more about English and overcome challenges like silent letters. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.